Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the brand new feature on WhatsApp for PC that lets you pop out a channel into its own separate window. This update makes multitasking so much smoother, especially if you want to follow a channel while still keeping the main WhatsApp window free for other chats. Let's go step by step and see exactly how this works. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're on the latest version so the new feature is available for you. Once the app is open, head over to the left-hand sidebar where all your chats and channels are listed. Now scroll down until you find the channel that you want to open in a pop-out view. Just hover your mouse over that channel and then use the right-click option. A quick settings menu will appear with a list of choices. From that list, look for the option called Pop-out Chat. As soon as you click on it, WhatsApp will open that channel in an entirely new window. This separate window can be resized, moved around your screen, or even placed on a second monitor if that's how you like to work. It's a great way to keep up with updates from your favorite channel while still staying active in your personal or group conversations in the main window. This little shortcut saves you from constantly switching back and forth, and it helps keep everything more organized. For example, if you follow community updates, news channels, or even announcements from a brand, you can now keep them floating in a dedicated space while handling your day-to-day chatting separately. And the best part? Closing the pop-out window won't remove the channel or your subscription. You can open and close it anytime with just a couple of clicks. So to summarize, open WhatsApp, find your channel, right-click on it, and choose Pop-out Chat. That's all it takes to make your channels more accessible and your workflow a lot smoother. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget there are many more updates coming to WhatsApp for PC, and we'll keep breaking them down step by step.